let's begin customizing our store's homepage. The homepage is the first thing that anyone is going to see when they end up on your store, so you want to make sure that everything looks nice and clean and professional. The first thing we'll edit here is the hero section here at the top. To edit this, I'll simply click on it, and then I'll want to upload my own custom image. I'll do this by clicking on Select, and then I'll drag in my own image. I'll upload this image here, and once it's done uploading, I'll go to the bottom right and click on Done. Nice, and with that uploaded, we now have a nice clean image at the top of our store's homepage that clearly communicates what we sell. The next thing I'll want to do is scroll down here in the settings on the left-hand side, and I'll change the height from medium to small. After that, I'll want to change up the text here. Similar to before, to change this, I'll simply click on it, and I can edit the text here on the top left-hand side. I'll copy and paste in my new text, and now I think I'm happy with how that looks. Next, let's add some more sections into our homepage. To go back, I'll go to the top left here and click on the back button. And here on the left-hand side, you can see that I have a featured collection section. This is simply a way to highlight a specific set of products within your store, and we'll configure this a little bit later on in the video. For now, I'll click on Add Section. And as you can see, when I do that, a window opens here, and we have all sorts of different sections that we can add into our store. In my case, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and I'll add in an Icons with Text section. To add it in, I'll simply click on it, and then you'll see it appear here on the right-hand side. And with this section here, we're able to add in 3 objection busters to your homepage. You could think of these as quick points that show what makes your business different, what you're most proud of, or why someone should feel confident when they buy from your store. And if you're not sure what objections to address, you can just focus on 3 things that make your brand unique. And just like before, you're able to edit all of the text, and you can even change out the icons simply by clicking on them. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this section here and add in my objection busters for my store. And here are the 3 objection busters that I wrote up for my store. I wrote that my store has an eye for quality, that my crochet toys are made to be loved, and that they're made by real people. Obviously, this will vary depending on the products that you're selling in your store, but this is a good way to set your store apart and build trust with your customers. Now, the next thing I want to add into my homepage is a customer review section that's right underneath my 3 objection busters. This is another really great way to build up credibility and trust with your customers. To add in that section, I'll go to the top left here to go back. Then I'll scroll down and click on Add Section. Then I'll scroll down the list here and find the Custom section. I'll click on it to add it. Then I'll click on the arrow next to it and click on Add Block. And here at the top, I'm able to click on Generate. This is a new, super exciting tool within Shopify that allows you to generate just about any type of section that you want for your store. So I'll go ahead and click on Generate. And from here, I can go ahead and paste in my prompt. It says, create a 3-column customer reviews layout with a quote, name, and a star rating. And like I said, you can write just about anything here, and it's going to code everything for you. I'll go ahead and submit this prompt. Now it's going to go ahead and create that section for us. This can take a minute or 2, so I'll just fast forward to when it's completed. Perfect. Now that's done, and I can see it here on the right-hand side. And now I'm actually able to configure and customize these customer reviews, since these are just placeholders. To do that, I'll click into the section, and on the left-hand side, I'll scroll down, and here I can change out all of the customer reviews. So I'll go ahead and do that really quick before moving on to the next step. Awesome, now I've configured my reviews here on the right-hand side, and the next thing I'll do is add in a contact form section. I'll go back once again. I'll click on Add Section, and then under Forms, I'll click on Contact Form. This will give customers a super easy way to reach out to you, whether it's just to ask a question, request a custom product, get a free quote, or book an appointment. Having a section like this on your website is super handy. So I'll quickly change out the text here to say, place a custom order. And with that done, I think I'm happy and I'm finished customizing my homepage.